Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to be unboxing the ERIN CONDREN's Petite Planning System for this year. All right, so I've actually used the ERIN CONDREN Petite Planner in the past and I have loved it. I've been in and out of different planning styles. You guys know I've been on like a planner hiatus here for the past couple of months, and I've been using an ERIN CONDREN notebook as well as a at a glance like monthly view calendar situation, and it's been working. It's been okay, especially for like back to school season, to make it like super simple and just kind of see where I'm at. But I've been really wanting to get back into a planning system, back into a routine, something that can be super functional for this season that I'm in right now. And I think the Petite Planning System is gonna be it. So what I love about the Petite Planning System, and one of the reasons that I keep going back to the system over and over again, is the different ways that you can organize it. There's so many different books and journals and things that you can put in there and take out and kind of change up as needed. I can have a notebook for my family kind of life and calendar and all of that stuff for Gator Mom as far as social media content planning and blog posts and things of that nature. I could do meal planning. I could put a fitness journal in there if I ever wanted to. So I just really like that it's kind of interchangeable like that. And I also like this size of the system because I can easily take it with me like from place to place, and it's not like a big bulky planner. So I'm excited to kind of get back into this and to see if it's gonna work for me this kind of go round. All right, so I was gonna go ahead and just open up this box here for you, but I think it's gonna be easier if I put the camera down and show you kind of everything in the box that way, and then we'll go ahead and assemble the planner the way that I plan on using it. All right, so I've opened up here the box of the new Petite Planner goodies, and I have my old ones here from previous years that we're gonna kind of move some of my favorite things out of here and set up the new one for right now. But in here, right on top, there is a dual tip list markers, which are some of my favorite. I love ERIN CONDREN's markers and their ballpoint pens. They're my favorite. This one here has check marks and boxes, which is kind of cool. So I'll be using those. The elastic here is like a pretty light pink color, but the book seems to be like a grayish purple. Such a pretty color. I love it. It's very different from my very neutral navy and tan one that I have. So I think I will use that. This here is an on-the-go folio insert. I love this. I had this and I don't know where it is. I don't know if mine broke, if I like moved it into another one, but I looked in my previous ones and I couldn't find it. So I'm really glad there's actually one in this box. You basically put it inside the folio here on the outside, and you can use these little pockets to decorate with pictures, put stickers in them, and it just kind of adds like a little folder, if you will, inside your folio. So love that. I'm super glad that's in the box. Now for the journals. This one here on top, I'll try to go through these quickly. This is a productivity petite journal. I love this pattern now. I have a cover in the life planner in this. So when you open it up, it looks like this is all the way through. Love it. So one side is notebook and the other side here is a productivity list. And the whole thing is set up like that. That's cool. I always like to have one notebook in my folio system that's just for list taking, brain dumping, all that kind of stuff. So I think this might be it. Then here is the Daily Petite Planner on the front. These are the daily spread. Looks pretty similar to years past. I really like it because it has 3 separate boxes here. So I'm able to kind of separate my day into morning, noon, and night as far as like appointments and stuff. And then over here is like my list for the day. So I love that. And then Saturday, Sunday actually is on shared pages over here. But I'm excited to kind of use a daily planner again. I think it's what's been missing with this like back to school season. So I'm definitely gonna be using that one. This is the meal planner. Oh, I really like these colors. I like that a lot. So I'm gonna see if this is any different than years past, and it doesn't look like it. I mean, maybe very, very like minor differences, but basically You have one side over here that has breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and then all the days of the week. And then you could easily use this for different things. Like if you didn't want a column like for breakfast, for instance, you could write different meals for different people or however you want to do it. But I use this a lot mainly for making sure I had like school lunches planned out, if I meal prep for breakfast for the kids, and then of course for dinners. I use this a lot. And then over on this side, there's a shopping list and then a meal prep strategy. So if I wanted to make sure I didn't forget something I already had or what have you, I had this little section here. And what I loved about it, let me see actually if I have my old one I can pull out here and show you. What I loved about it is if I was in kind of like a rut, I didn't know what I was gonna cook or make, I could pull out my old one and flip through like previous pages and kind of get meal ideas that way. Let me see. This isn't actually the one that I thought was on there, but you get the idea. Basically over here for dinner, I have different meal ideas and I could pull from here and then get the grocery list on the other side and go from there. So it's just a really easy way to meal prep. And that is definitely not something that has been my strong suit these past couple of weeks. So I'm excited about that. Oh, there's a holiday prep. All right, really quickly, I wanted to flip through this holiday planner because I think it is one of the best ones that ERIN CONDREN comes out with. On the front here, you have a couple different ways to, I guess, use this particular holiday planner. I won't spend a lot of time there. Then you go right into this section here and it has a spot for what you're looking forward to this season, priorities, what's most important about this time of year, how I will self-care, traditions, and then how to be fully present. So that's the first page. And then you go into your first monthly spread. And what's cool about it is you can start it, say, in November if you know that you have like a busy holiday planning month there, or if you want to start it in December, or however you want to do it. I believe there should be 3 sections of this. We'll see as we go on, but this is a blank monthly spread for you to kind of customize however you want. Then you have a section for this month, like specifically this month's priority, ways I can take care of myself this month, and ways I can ask for help this month. If you know you're going out of town, you need like, say, childcare or something like that. I mean, there's just kind of ways to like brain dump really good here. This month's to-do list, love that. And then you have a little open box down there at the bottom. Then you go into this month's family traditions, new traditions to create this month. That's really fun. I get so many ideas off of like social media, like different traditions, new things that I want to do with the kids. And I think this is a kind of fun section to put those in. Then you have decor, existing decor to use and new decor to get. I use this a lot in my other notebook. Then you have outside decor, table decor, different rooms. So this is kind of a fun section. Then you go into holiday gathering meal prep. This is like another area that I used a lot in the previous book. Drinks, appetizers, main dishes, side dishes, guests that are coming, prep and cooking schedule, shopping lists. Then you have the same thing twice. And then looking back. So a funny memory so this is like kind of like a memory keepsake part of it. But what I'm grateful for, connection I treasured this month, surprising moment. It's really, really cool. Then you go into the next monthly spread. So like I said, I believe it's the same thing. Oh, and it's different colors. So that's cool. So it's the same thing for the next 3 months. Yep, same setup, room decor, holiday gatherings, meals, holiday gathering meals, and then looking back over the month, and then you have the final monthly spread here. So you have that 3 times in the book. And then it goes into this next section. I will flip through, looking back. All right, then it goes into a couple of different sections. This one here is a budget tracker. So you have the holiday, the budget maximum, description, estimated, and actual. So kind of a way to plan out like gift giving for the season. And you have 2 of those pages. Holiday card planner and holiday card list. I remember using that a lot last year. Photo shoot information if you do that for your family. Another holiday card list section. Oh, I think there's an extra one this year. Looks like more than I had in years past. This one here is a holiday gift list. Another section I used a lot. family, friends, and then just a couple of blank sections here. This helped a lot with like extended family gift giving and things like that, and teacher gifts and all of that. Holiday gift planner. So same thing as what's here, only this gets a little bit more specific if you wanted to write down like cost and money that you're spending and stuff. So you have 1, 2, 3 of those. Group gift tracker, shopping list, group gift ideas, gift wrapping, and then a couple more of those. You might hear the pitter patter of my dog's paws next to me. Gift wish list, gift price tracker, gifts to order, gifts to mail. There's just so much in this little journal. Gifts to wrap, gifts to deliver, and then holiday baking tracker. I don't remember this in the previous one. Maybe it's in there, but I don't remember using it. This is really cool. I think I'll use this a lot this year. So holiday treats, and if you're gonna be like doing a big cookie baking or gifting anything out like that, some gift or some graph paper, and then a sticker sheet, which is cool. This says, what does it say down there? Sunday, Monday. Yes, these are days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Very cool. Love this one. It's a good one. If you get nothing else from this system, grab this little holiday prep journal. You'll be really glad that you did. All right, last but not least in this box is a journal that I have not seen yet. PetitePlanner medical log. Quick little flip through. Has section for medical information. My care team. This is really, really cool. It's very open here as far as ways that you can kind of like customize it. And medication log, this is awesome. And then symptom tracker, expense insurance log, week of intentions, gratitude, energy to kind of track how you're feeling. This is a really cool journal. There's lots of these. And then back into medication log. So it looks like maybe the whole journal is set up in that same way. Appointment log. This is awesome, especially maybe if you have like a newborn baby. This would be really, really helpful. This section back here. More appointments. Questions to ask the professional when you go in for your appointments. I love that. And then it looks like these pages just repeat themselves. Symptom tracker, expense insurance log. What a cool organized journal. Love this one. This one's neat. All right, so let's quickly go ahead and set up the way I'm going to be using my PetitePlanner. So I set it up the way that I plan on using it here for the next couple of weeks. I put my little pencil pouch here on the front. I love these. This is like a pink corduroy one. I don't know if they have this particular one anymore. I also have this black one that I change out for, but I like using these with the PetitePlanner because there's not really a spot to have like a pen or pencil or anything on here. But as you can see, you can fit a bunch on there. I also got a little pen like loop at one point and put it over here with some tab dividers. I've set it up that way as well. So I just like this little pencil pouch here on top. And the way that I set it up, of course, is putting in this folio here on the outside, which I will customize with some pictures that I'll cut and kind of decorate in here. I'll show you over on Instagram maybe what I end up with. But right here, this first one, I pulled out the monthly planner from my previous Petite folio system over here. And basically what this is a setup of the monthly spread, just one right after the other. And I like to use this for my GATORMOM and my content planning. This is kind of what I use this particular folio for, or this particular journal for, because the backside has a bunch of notebook paper and I'm able to just brain dump and organize and do all of my stuff here. There's also a little folder back here and some stickers. So this will be my social media, journal, if you will. Then I have here the daily one, and I just realized that I wasn't looking specifically at the dates, but the one that ERIN CONDREN just sent me actually starts in 2024 in January. So I'm gonna pop on their website here as soon as I'm done with this video to see if I can order the last one for this year, so I can start it now. But I put it in here as like a placeholder because I know that this is the book that I want to be in here next. And then the next one here is just a blank journal for all the things. I use my ERIN CONDREN notebook so much that I think this will be basically what that is kind of carried over into here. But I went ahead and used this priority one that I just got because I do like the list tracker over here. And then last but not least, I moved into the new meal planner. Love this one a lot. And I'll probably have that one in there for September and October. And then come November, I will switch this out and just meal plan in this notebook and probably put in this holiday prep because it will be holiday time. I could easily also just put it here if I really wanted to. I can still put the elastic band around it and carry 5 journals. I don't know if I'll do that. In years past, I've just switched it out. So that is my plan. I also have all my stickers here, monthly stickers. These are a bunch, like a collection of stickers. I'll probably take some main ones out here and slip them in this section back here in the back. So I'm excited to move into this. I hope this was helpful for those of you that were interested in the system. I will try to share a little bit more bits and pieces here and there. Out of all the ERIN CONDREN planners, this seems to be the one that I get the most questions on. So I'll try to be a little bit more helpful in the coming weeks as I use it. All right, I think that does it for today's video. Like I said earlier, I'm super excited to kind of move back into this petite planning system and use it again. It is one of my favorites from ERIN CONDREN. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. I'm always happy to chat. Until next time, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I will see you soon. Bye.